keep adequate training for the roles? Yes. Do you feel motivated to perform your job? Yes. Are there any areas you feel the company is overspending? Unsure. There are bottlenecks or delays that affect productivity. Sometimes. Do you think the company uses its resources to use time and power effectively? Yes. Does management provide clear direction and expectations? Yes. Is the management open to feedback and concerns? Yes. Company challenges. Is the company facing major challenges in the overall operations? Yes. Is there a lack of coordination between departments? Lahat na lang kayong challenges yan. Minsan, di pa kayo na then, do you experience delays at ulit ka? Do you experience delays or bottlenecks in daily operations? No. Is communication between staff and management is no. Is management unclear in giving the return expectations? No. Is the company struggling to meet customer expectations? No. Do technical issues frequently impact upward and down to technical issues impact up mga technical issues impact upward.